እንዳትቀሩ ማርች 28 ነይ ማዶ አይደለ Thank you so much Warner Theater I'm going to be teaching about confidence okay so show up and አይቀርም Hi Thank you የኔ አባት አመሰግናለሁ Thank you Hi You want to be on my vlogs Yeah TikToker ሊሆን ነው ከና ያለኝ እኮ የኔ አባት How you doing እንዴት ነህ Church ነበርክ That's good Good Are you going to show up to my event See so on March 28th I have an event Tell your mom I want to go Is she እንዳትረሳ Yeah you should show up okay Okay what do you want to say
So what time is the event?
The event is going to start Saturday March 28th at 7 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Yeah where's your mom Hi እናት እንዴት ነሽ ይሄው ቲኬት እየሰጠሁት ነው ማርች 28 እና ያልኩት ነው ወደ Warner Theater I have a motivational event I'll be teaching about confidence life success everything Yeah ብትመጪ ደስ ይለኛል ይዘሽው ብትመጪ እሱም ደስ ይለኛል ቅዳሜ ነው የሚሆነው March 28 next week ማለት ነው እሺ Thank you እናት Thank you have a good one